And the lights are out in the pace car. That means one to go. But the pace car is still out on the racetrack. Let's see what happens here. Will the Camaro dive to the infield? He does. Green flag waves. A great start for the third heat. Whoa, look out. The 32 car slides up the hill. That's Justin Tyler. Slides up the 5 car to your early lead. That's Noah Andrus. Watson in that 57, charging hard on the outside. Richard Speck in that white 21. His third race. Speck in the 21, now to the inside of the 57. That 5 car, Noah Andrus, out to the lead. The battle for second. The 32 car getting closer and closer to the wall. A great battle for second. Speck, Watson, white flag in the air. The 5 car has this thing won, most likely. That 5, Noah Andrus, but the battle for the second spot. Here it is. Watson in the blue and yellow, 57. Speck in the red and white, 21. The 32 car coming in to make some excitement. Who's it going to be at the line? Pick your favorite. It is Jeff Watson Jr., Richard Speck, and the 32 car of Justin Tyler. Bringing up the tail of field to 75. That is Justin Hawkins. Great race for that number 5 car out of Loves Park, Illinois. He's unbuckling his safety equipment, getting his helmet off.